Google. Google is a US-based software organization founded in 1998 by Sergey Brin and Larry Page. It is popularly known as a search engine. In the year 2015, Sergey Brin and Larry Page opened a new company named Alphabet Incorporation, which took over Google and became the parent company of other Google subsidiaries. In December 2019, Sundar Pichai became the CEO of Alphabet Incorporation. To open Google, type www.google.com in the address bar of a browser. You can search anything on Google. Few tips for using Google search engine are: keep the search words simple, like stationery shop near me or how the weather will be today. Unable to type? You can use the microphone icon to speak the search words. You do not have to worry about the spelling mistakes.